This instruction is used for three main functions. First would be to check for the existence of a particular file. This is done by placing your file or folder name here and not checking any of these. If you get a success, then it exists on that file system. Second would be to gather information on the file. This is done by checking one or more of these four characteristics. The third function would be iteration. This function can gather any or all the characteristics of the file or folders you name here. There is an example of this process in the help topic on this instruction. This instruction can be used in a task or program but cannot be used in subroutines or interrupt service routines. There is a utility program called Browse PLC File Systems that can manage the contents of any file system. This can be found while the designer software is connected to the PLC and then selecting PLC, Browse PLC File System.